After installing the Boss Audio head unit and Kicker CS speakers, we wanted our system to have more punch. We chose the KEY200.4 amplifier, 50 watts per channel across 4 channels for a total max output of 200 watts. This amp is perfect for Jeeps. It's compact and fits in the glove box. This location keeps the amp safe from those annoying Wrangler water leaks. Hello, this is Scott from Say Yes Outdoors. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. We chose this amp for its easy installation, size, and watt rating. One side of the amp handles the power, ground, and speaker connection. Our pro tip: use a good wire splicer and ratcheting crimping tool. Prepare all wires before mounting. We estimated the speaker wire lengths and then trimmed the speaker wires for a perfect fit. The other side of the amp has RCA jacks for easy connection to the head unit. We used a 3-foot RCA cable to run from the radio to the glove box for a quick hookup. We ran the power wire directly to the battery and grounded the amp to the nearby factory bolt. While the radio is out of the dash, run the driver's side front speaker wire. Remove the speaker box and wire harness, then splice the gasket to connect the amp wiring. We used electrical tape on the back of the gasket for a better seal. Do the same for the passenger side. With the front speakers now completed, you can run the rear speaker wires along the passenger side up to the soundbar. Remove the soundbar to access the factory speaker harness. We're only amping the 6.75 speakers, so keep the factory harness for the 3 1/4 speakers. Drill a hole next to the harness receptacle and run the new speaker wiring. Then, connect and reinstall the speakers and the soundbar. With everything connected and working properly, we used double-sided tape to mount the amp under the glove box. The Kicker Key amp greatly boosts sound quality and volume. Thank you for watching Say Yes Outdoors. If you enjoyed our video, please click the logo here to subscribe.